Adhering to a medication regimen consistently is super important because it provides stability. It prevents you from having worsening of symptoms, and worsening of symptoms tend to lead to disruptions. In this day and age, there are lots of tools that we have to help us stay consistent with our treatment plan. There are apps that you can use to set reminders to take your medication. I'm a big fan of using the calendar to keep track of your appointments when you need to call and request refills. If you're not an electronic person, there's pen and paper, a cork board where you can put up reminders. The other thing that can be really helpful is with the pharmacy is setting up automatic refills and automatic reminders through your pharmacy where they will call you or text you to let you know you're due for a refill. It's important to meet with your doctor regularly to talk about your medication. It's important for your doctor to monitor how well they're working or not working. It's also important for them to monitor side effects or adverse effects. As people, we change. Sometimes our needs change, sometimes our symptoms might change, so it's important to be able to keep track of that and stay on top of it. When considering changing a medication, I strongly advise you to use your treatment team. Do it alongside your doctor. This is the best way and the safest way to do it. They will probably do it in a way where they cross-taper one medication in exchange for the other medication. This will allow for a more gradual transition and a less abrupt change. It's really important to avoid using substances. Substances can make symptoms worse. Substances can also interfere with the medication that's being prescribed by your provider. It makes it really hard to know what's happening when you have substances in combination with medication that's being prescribed. It's really important to have a trusting relationship with your provider. These relationships aren't built overnight, but over time you want to be able to build a relationship in which you can freely and comfortably talk about how you're feeling, changes to your environment, and really feel comfortable expressing any concerns that you have about your treatment so that together you guys can make some deliberate and dedicated decisions related to your treatment plan.